Good afternoon, everyone. It's a very important day that so many distinguished panelists have joined today. And it reminds me one of the story from uh, Islam also, that once there was a little bird that lived during the times of Prophet Abraham, Hazrat Ibrahim. And when Prophet Abraham was thrown into fire by the enemy of faith, King Nimrod, a little bird saw what happened and decided to put the fire to help Prophet Abraham. The little bird starts scooping a few drops of water in her teeny beak from the nearby river. And the larger birds in the vicinity watched and laughed at the little bird and said, "Why are you carrying the water?" The little bird told that is to put out the fire around Prophet Abraham. And the large birds continue laughing, "How could you put out such a huge fire with such a small amount of water? It is pointless and useless." And the little bird replied that I am sure Allah will not ask me whether I managed to put out the fire or not, but Allah will ask what I have done to stop the fire. And today's theme of we are part of the solution, it reminds me of the story, and the similar story is with a squirrel also when Ram Setu was being made in Ramayana. And there is one more story related to that when we all know about the contribution of Jatayu, and there is a story that uh, in the Kiskindha Kand that when all the uh, warriors of Vanasena met Sampati, the brother of Jatayu, and what he told at that time. And that clearly describes that in the ancient times also what we call today the niche and the habitat was very clearly defined at that point of time. And Sampati describes that Adhyah Pantha Kulingana means sparrows, they are in the first plane. Dvitiya Bali Bhojanam, crows are in the second plane. Tritiya Gachanti Kronchasya means crane are in the third plane. Shyanya Chaturtha Gachanti means falcon on the fourth plane. Gridha Gachanti Panchamam means vulture on the fifth plane. And Sashasthu Pantha Hansana, sixth plane the swines fly. And Vanteya Gati Para, I mean the seventh plane the Garuda fly. So it says that the different niche of the different birds were very clearly defined at that point of time also, and by and large it is today also existing in the same way. And we all know that what each and every species is contributing towards sustenance of life and everything. We all know that IUCN study once has also made it very clear that a vulture gives a service of scavenging which a plant would give by spending 5 lakhs or more. But it's the human who have been destroying this earth, and it's the responsibility of all the humans, because we must realize that the planet doesn't belong to us only. It belongs to each and every species, and it's our duty that whatever we can do our best to keep the planet.
Sorry, sir, you have been mute. Can you unmute yourself?
Yeah, I'm audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so it also reminds me one of the shloka of Mahabharata when Arjuna asked Krishna, "Who are you?" And it is mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita Dasham Adhyay. And then Lord Krishna replies that Avshatah Sarvikshanam Devarshi Nam Cha Narada Evravatam Grajendra Nam Nara Nam Cha Naradipam. The story, the content and the essence of this is that वृक्षों में मैं पीपल हूँ, देवर्षियों में मैं नारद हूँ, हाथियों में मैं रावत हूँ, और सर्पों में मैं वासुकी हूँ. It means the God himself is saying that he is manifested in all the species, and that's the beauty of biodiversity and the best definition of biodiversity what anyone could get in any literature. So the schools teachers are today attending in large numbers, and we all know that they play a vital role in increasing the awareness about the importance of biodiversity, where students and the teachers can come together to protect and maintain biodiversity resources. Today we have with us an excellent panel of speakers to talk about the importance of this day, and I'm sure that everyone will enjoy the session and get a lot of knowledge to take home with you and implement also some of the things which will be discussed in today's sessions. the whole world has been affected by COVID-19, and we wish that all of you should stay safe and how best we can do to have a sustainable and livable planet for future generation. So thank you all for giving me a patient hearing. Thank you, Neha. Thank you, everyone.